All right, welcome. We passed the halfway point yesterday. We're now up to day 13 of the Lego 2022 Advent Calendar build and reveal, which this year we're doing the Guardians of the Galaxy. Day 13. It's a minifig, and I'm pretty sure this is Mantis. This one's going to be a really quick build. It's like 5 pieces, complete. 1, 2. Ooh. So 1, 2, 3, and then we have the legs 4 and the guitar 5. So really quick build. What head should I use? What face? Angry or plain? Let's go the angry one. Headpiece on, and then the guitar. There we go. Let's try and angle that. So I would have thought you would want holding this end and then strumming. So I'm going to put it like that. There we have it. Day 13 Mantis. That's a good start to the second half of the reveals and build. There we have it, day 13. Join me for day 14. Bye for now.